Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma At Home. Today, we'll do an upgrade of our spicy ramen. Kala nyo, instant-instant na to, pero ang sarap ng dating. Ito yung problema na instant ramen. Pag simula ka, ayaw mo tagilan eh. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma At Home. Today, it's a bit interesting kasi may mga friends ako na sabi nila, nakikita mo yung mga reels na gumagawa ng yung instant ramen nila, yung mommy noodles nila. Sabi ko, yeah. Sabi ko, ano ba yung isa sa mga pinaka-popular na ramen? Sabi nila, ang isa sa pinaka-popular ay yung Buldak. Buldak? Ganun ba? So, when I went to SNR, nakita ko ito, cheese Buldak. Spicy ramen. So what we'll do is, I tried it. Pag ito lang talaga ng sobrang anghang. So what we'll do is, we'll cook it in a way na hindi na siya masyadong maanghang. So babawasan natin yung heat niya, pero spicy pa rin. No? So we'll do an upgrade of our spicy ramen. Onions natin. And then, luluto natin ito with the beef. No? So we'll just use one small onion. Take it out. Good. Nice. Tapos gamit na ng konting ito, maliit lang. That's it. Okay. Yan, that's it. And then, simulan natin lutuin to. Put some oil. Yan. Okay, when it's hot, lagyan natin to. Onions and luya. There. Okay. Yeah. And that is cooked. Lagyan natin yung garlic. And then, gochujang paste. And then, a little of that. And yun. Konting water. Yeah. Sabi na hot pepper paste daw. Yeah. But not super hot. It's just hot but not super hot. And then, puta ng konti ng meat. Ito. Konting pork lang. Yan, ganito lang karami. Yun lang yung kailangan natin para sa ramen natin. That's it. Put in some salt. Yeah. Salt to taste. Pepper. Yeah. Yun. Ganun lang, oh. Pepper. Just continue cooking. Put a little water. Konting tubig lang ako. Para hindi na masunog ilalim. Ayan. So while that's cooking, lilipat natin sa kabila dito. Gagawin na natin yung ramen natin. So bubuksan natin itong Buldak. Buldak. Grabe ito. Ang anghang nito. Yun, oh. Cheese powder niya. Ito yung Buldak sauce naman talaga napaka-anghang. So, for the two packs of ramen, we're only using one Buldak sauce para hindi siya masyado manghang. But we'll use more of the Buldak cheese, okay? So, lagyan natin ng konting onion. Ng onion kasi because when you cook the onion, when it's finally cooked, it becomes sweet, no? Yan eh, pino. Yes. We'll put oil. Our onions, yun. Yun, onions. Nice. Okay, there you go. Tuloy natin siya. Yan. Tapos buksan natin itong buldak na buldak sauce. Careful kasi talagang maanghang to eh. Tinikman ko to eh, grabe. Luha talaga ako eh, luha. Luha sa anghang. Parang unang pag-ibig, napapaluha ka. Ganun yan. That's it. Nice. Pilalagyan natin siya ng, of course, our favorite, Lily's peanut butter. Yun. 1 tablespoon lang. That's it. So, parang may konting tantanmen yung effect niya. Kung wala kang peanut butter, pwede rin sesame paste, yung tahini. Pwede rin tahini. Okay? Let's cook it like that. Then put your water. Para hindi masunog yung pinaka-sauce mo, unti-unti natin. Then we'll incorporate it slowly. Good. When incorporate nyo sa water, tikman natin. Okay, good. Pansin nyo, yung pork, tuloy-tuloy lang yung luto nito. Because I want the pork to be really cooked. Yan. So, lutong-luto talaga siya. Kahit mahinang flame lang. Good. Wow. Uy, sarap. Tama yung anghang. Dili sa anghang kaiba. And then, kung gusto nyo, you can also add a little, tomato paste for more flavor. Yan, tomato paste. Yan. Yan na yan, It'll add more color, it'll add more flavor. Yan. So, kung ano yung meron ka sa kitchen mo. And then, meron akong pinipare na ramen eggs. Soft-boiled eggs lang, and then marinated in kikuman soy sauce, mirin, and a little water. And just leave it there. Yan. That's it. Yan na yung tamago natin. Okay? Try this. Ito yung butter, Kami yung butter. Peanut butter. Para may nutty flavor pa siya. Tsaka gusto ko may konti pa siyang tamis. Para maglaban yung tamis tsaka yung anghang. Grabe yung buldak sauce na yun. Isa pa lang yun, pero anghang na, Grabe. Tayo natin yung ramen natin. Ramen, that's it. Tapos ito pa yung pangalawa. Ayan dun. Okay. Ganda. Okay, good. Nice. Yan, ganda na ng kulo. Good. Yan na. Kasama natin yung cheese sauce ng buldak. Yan, cheese sauce niya. Powder. Wow. Parang popcorn lang to. Diba? Okay, good. Nice. Hina natin. Yun na. Lapit na to. Separate na yan Nagsiseparate na yung noodles. Nice. Konti lang. Mukhang marami pero konti lang to. Manipis lang naman Give some sheen to our noodles. Sakto na to. Yeah, nice. Okay, isang pecorino. Yan, talagang mag-enhance yung flavor natin. That's it. This is the cheese that they use for carbonara. Yan. Incorporate lang siya na ganun sa noodles natin. Nice, ang ganda. Okay, good. We're good to this. Ready to serve. Nice. Right here. And ito yung pork natin. Ito yung pork sa ibabaw. Nice. Our tamago. Noodle. Got it. Nice, di ba? Oh, ganda oh. That's it. That choice there. And then chili oil. Yun. Paligid lang yung chili oil. Good. Lagyan ng konti ano, cheese sa babaw. That's it. Okay. And here is our upgraded instant ramen. Let's try this. Ganda oh. Natin. Oh, sarap. Alam mo, buti lang, isang sauce lang ng Buldak yung nilagay natin. Iniwan natin yung isa. Kasi maanghang talaga. Lagay pala ng garnish ng chili oil, diba? Sarap. Kumakagat pa rin yung anghang. Wow. Perfect with coconut juice. Sapa. Sapa. Nisipon ako. Sarap. Woo! Kala nyo, instant na to, pero ang sarap ng dating. Yan, ramen eggs natin. Ajitama eggs ba tawag doon? Wow! Wow! Dinoy! Sarap! Ito yung problema na ng instant ramen. Pag simula ka, ayaw mo tagilan eh. Hanghang. Manghang ka, buldak ka ha. So yun, yung simpleng ramen, in-upgrade lang natin, no? So pag may time ka, yan, gawa ka lang ng ganito. Yung ajitama eggs, kikuman, mirin, water, then gawa ka ng soft-boiled eggs, ibabad mo doon. It's best after mga 3-4 days. No, tapos yung sap ng kikuman ng solution, pumapasok talaga dun sa nanonood dun sa itlog. Okay? So, you should upgrade ramen. Thank you so much for staying with me. Do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends. Enjoy it with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you next time right here in Goma At Home. Bye guys. Tutuloy ko lang to. Hanghang. Pero masarap. Kakasipon.